For months, the internet has been pushing one loud claim. The iPhone 18 Pro would finally be the all-screen iPhone. No cutouts, no interruptions, just pure display. That story now collapses. The latest iPhone 18 Pro leaks confirm that Apple has quietly changed course and the full all-screen design is officially not happening yet. Instead of killing the dynamic island, Apple is keeping it alive and shrinking it on purpose. This isn't a delay or a failure. It's a calculated move, and the sources confirming it are some of the most reliable names in the industry. Rather than introducing dramatic front-side changes, Apple is taking a controlled, technical approach with the iPhone 18 Pro. The dynamic island is staying in 2026, but it's getting smaller. The reason isn't aesthetics, it's Face ID. Apple is not abandoning Face ID or rushing it fully under the display, it's restructuring it. This shift has now been confirmed by Ross Young, one of the most reliable names in display technology. In a recent post, Young stated that this new leak matches what he had already been reporting since last year, signaling that Apple's internal roadmap hasn't changed despite months of online speculation. Back in mid-2025, Ross Young revealed that Apple planned to move only some Face ID components under the display on the iPhone 18 Pro, not all of them. That detail was critical. It meant the dynamic island was never designed to disappear suddenly. It was always meant to shrink gradually. Now, that same strategy is being reinforced by Chinese leaker Instant Digital, who reports that Apple will reduce the size of the dynamic island while maintaining full Face ID functionality, not compromising it. According to this new leak, only the infrared flood illuminator will move beneath the display, shifting to the top left area of the screen. The dot projector, infrared camera, and selfie camera will remain grouped together in the center, housed inside a smaller dynamic island. What really matters is the strategy behind this decision. The dynamic island is no longer just a hardware cutout. It's deeply embedded into iOS through live activities, navigation, media controls, timers, and system alerts. Removing it prematurely would require Apple to rework years of software behavior. Shrinking it allows Apple to move toward an all-screen future without breaking performance, reliability, or user habits. This makes the iPhone 18 Pro feel less like a dramatic redesign and more like a precise, intelligent evolution. Apple isn't chasing the all-screen iPhone overnight. It's moving components under the display step by step, letting the dynamic island fade out naturally when the technology is truly ready. The iPhone 18 Pro lineup is expected to launch this September, with pricing likely starting around $999 for the Pro model. If these leaks hold up, the smaller dynamic island may be the clearest signal yet of Apple's long-term vision, and a reminder that Apple moves slowly, but never randomly.